Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute owl. But before we get started, please feel free to leave a like and go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what I should draw for the next video, and please feel free to subscribe if you have not. Alright folks, so I'm going to start our owl with two big circles. One big circle and two big circle. So these are going to be the owl's eyes. So we're going to do a circle inside both and a little circle inside those circles. So there's lots of circles so far. I'm going to color in the middle circle and leave those two little ones white. Okay, so now I'm going to give him his beak. So it's kind of like a triangle, kind of like the shape of a carrot. Now I'm going to give him two thick eyebrows. So like a rectangle over each eye. I'm going to color them in black. These are great big thick eyebrows. Alright, so now I'm going to give him top of his head, so little line, and I'm going to point it up and point it up on the other side, and then we're going to come down. Same over here, come on down. Now, come on down a little bit more, and I'm going to give him a little bit of fluff. He's got little feathers poking out. And I'm going to kind of curve like that and give them one little toe, two little toe, three little toe. Same over here. One little toe, two little toe, three little toe. And that's just like little U shapes. So these are little feet claws. And now I'm going to do an upside down U and give them some feathers. So all kinds of little U shapes here. I'm going to make for floof, little feathers. Okay, now I'm going to give them, start to give them some wings. So lines like that, and then I'm going to come on down and give it a U shape and lots of floofs. Same over here. Come on down, little U shape, lots of little floofs, little feathers. Little feathers. I'm going to put it inside here, lots of little feathers. All kinds of U shapes. And I want to put a little bottom part of his beak here on the side. So he kind of looks like he's giving us a little side smile. And I'm going to give him cute little blushies. He's going to have little blushing cheeks. And I think we're ready for color. I think he's going to be super cute. Let me clean up this line here. Clean up that line. Alright, yep, I'm going to add some color. So I'm going to start with his little beak. Yellow. And I'm going to use the same color for his little feet. Okay, so now I'm going to color in his little blushy marks, his little blushing cheeks. And I'm going to start to color in all his fluff. I'm going to color in his wings, same color as his body here, but I'm going to do his little belly a different color. Okay, and now I'm going to color in his belly a lighter brown. Alright, so we have our cute little owl. I think he turned out really, really sweet. Let me know what you folks think. Feel free to leave a comment, and also please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to see me draw next. So everybody, I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!